The Maruti Suzuki Alto is a popular budget-friendly hatchback known for its affordability, fuel efficiency, and compact design. Here's a quick review of the key aspects. Affordability: one of the most inexpensive cars in India, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. Fuel efficiency: offers excellent mileage, making it ideal for daily city commutes. Compact design: easy to maneuver and park in crowded urban areas. Low maintenance: costs of servicing and repairs are relatively low, which adds to its appeal for budget-conscious buyers. Performance: the 800 cubic centimeters engine is not very powerful, leading to modest acceleration and top speed, making it less suitable for highways. Interior space: limited cabin and boot space with cramped rear seats, especially for tall passengers. Features: basic interior design and fewer modern tech features compared to newer models in the segment. Overall, the Alto is a reliable, no-frills option for first-time buyers or those looking for a budget-friendly city car.